Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can block R-rated movies on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then, on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on Screen Time. Next, go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. In here, go down and tap on Content Restrictions. Next, you want to tap on Movies. And if you want to block the R-rated movies, you want to select a categories above the R ratings. So in here you got PG-13, or you can choose PG, G, or NR. So anything above the R ratings right here will be allowed to watch, and anything else they will not be able to watch. So let's test it out. So let's say if I select PG-13, you can see that if I go into Apple TV, okay, so if I go in here and I try to open up a violent movie, Joker, and in here if I try to watch it, you can see say to watch this movie, change your restrictions in settings. Okay, so I cannot watch it. And if I try to open another movie, you can see for this particular movie, I can watch it because the rating is PG. And that's how you can block it. Now if I choose R rating movie, now you can see this time I can go back here, and if I open up the Joker movie, I can now open it. And that's it. So that's how you can block R-rated movies on the iPhone 13 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.